Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this double integral. So first we will sketch the graph, right? So here it says a region R. So let's draw it. This is y-axis, this is x, this is y. So it says x equals 0, right? X equals 0 is this line, right? This is x equals 0. This is y equals 0. And x plus y equals 1. So it is 1 equals minus x plus 1, right? It is a curve like this, right? It is a line like this. This is 1. Gradient of this is minus 1, right? So this is x plus y equals 1. So bounded region. So this is the bounded region, right? This is the bounded region. We need to find integral of in region x plus y dA, right? So this equals integral of x plus y dx dy, right? I have to find the limits. So limits, I need to find this volume, right? So I am taking a small cube like this. Let's say it is x far away and this is dx, right? This point is 0, this point is 1. So x is going from 0 to 1, right? So x is going from 0 to 1. So I will write it here. I will change this. So first I will integrate respective to y. So this is dy. Then I will integrate respective to x. So x is going from 0 to 1. So x limits are okay. Now I have to think about y regions, right? So if I consider here y is going from 0 to some line, right? This line is what? X plus y equals 1. So y is equals to 1 minus x, right? So I can say y is going from 0 to what? Y is equals to 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x. So this is the integral I need to find. So let's do the integral. So this is 0 to 1. Now I have to integrate x plus y respective to y, right? When I am integrating respective to y, x is just a constant, right? So x is a constant. So when I integrate this respective to y, this becomes xy, right? I will continue this in blue color. Xy plus y square over 2, right? Now I have to plug the limits. It is 1 minus x, 0, right? Now I have to integrate respective to x. So I will plug these limits here. So x 1 minus x plus 1 minus x square over 2 minus 0, right? Dx. Let's simplify this. I will write in the next page. So 0 to 1, this is x 1 minus x plus 1 minus x square over 2 dx. So let's simplify this again. 0 to 1, x minus x square plus 1 minus x. Let's solve this also. 1 minus 2x plus x square 1 over 2 1 over 2 1 over 2 dx. So let's integrate this one. No, just simplify this one. So 0 to 1, this is minus x square over 2, then minus x plus x, this cancels, plus 1 over 2 dx, right? So this is simply 1 over 2, 0 to 1, 1 minus x square dx. This equals to 1 over 2 integral of c. Let's integrate this here. So x minus x cube over 3, right? 0 to 1. This equals to 1 over 2, 1 minus 1 over 3, minus 0. So this is 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. So this is 1 over 3, right? So the integral of this equals to 1 over 3, right? So I hope you guys understood what I did here. If you guys have any problems, please comment below. Thank you for watching.